I know digital XRTs, and I work for this. Lala, it's basically basically I'm a digital artist. I work for the streamers and gamers. Lahat na yung mga X ginawa ng X.
Cheer!
Cheer!
Oh my God!
Valorant is my favorite game, but aside from Valorant, yes, I play PBD as
No, you
well.
pronounce it wrong, Kira. It's Valorant.
Shut the up, bro. You don't know anything.
Oh.
Okay, wait. Okay, by the way, I have an idea for you as well. If you don't mind, I can share with you. What are you gonna share, by the way?
What?
Who? Who? Wait,
By the way, it's Oro Rimao. By the way, I have an idea for you as well. It's okay, yeah. What's the one that you can share? Oro Rimao.
Valorant.
Shut the up, Jat.
Post you.
Oops.
Pero nasa side pa din sa akin. Wala ka pala.
Wait.
Oh, wait. I know this guy. Wait. Hold up. Be right back. I'm gonna go, guys, chat. I'm gonna go on a be right back mode, and I'm gonna talk to some people, okay? Be right back, chat. I'm sorry, but I'm not a digital artist.
I'm an artist.
Artist.
I'm not an artist.
Actually. Forever of my AI art. My God.
Kumahan. I'm a digital artist. I use AI within 10 seconds. So
Sorry, but bots are not welcome. Sorry, but bots are not welcome.
I hate this.
Actually, I'm a digital artist. Digital artist, actually.
Digital artist.
Artist X. Get over that, man. Grabe.
Hey guys, this is my portfolio. Also me, I'm a digital artist.
Oh my God. Artist.
Bro, if you're an artist, you should actually spell it right. Hey guys, it's me, artist with an TS, not with an X, artist.
Naging yellow yung artist. My God.
Hi, bad. I'm fucking artist. I'm so dumb. I'm an artist.
My God.
Oh my brother. You know that
Artist.
I use AI by using prompt when less than 10 seconds. Quick and fast. Easy.
Artist.
Artist.
Nawala yung S, naging CK na lang.
Yeah. parang it's
Nawala
like,
yung TS.
artistic.
S,
I can't-
nawala.
It's so hard to pronounce artistic.
Police, follow me! Oh my God!
Arctic.
be a Mikey out of my heart.
Arctic. Ang ng spelling.
My God.
Oh, God.
Oh, spelling. What the
Please
Putang
follow
ina.
me! I need money! Please commission me with AI art!
Yun! Baliw! Bro! I'm going to
Okay.
send in the context, Skutski. I'll show you. Buti na lang,
Show
men.
the screenshot. Show the screenshot.
Keep the
Yeah.
Digital X Artist X. What the?
Digital moments.
Oh my God.
Arctics.
Qualik.
Actually,
45 years. Parang parang may hirapan yung artist sa 45 years. Mas parang napadali
ito,
Less
this
than in
this
minutes.
is the context. Context. Eh!
Wala.
Ano mga artist na abot ng 1 year bago ma-finish nila.
This is the context, chat.
Highlight ko yan. I know. Digital X Artist. And I work for this. Lala, it's basically basically about digital artist. I work for the streamers and gamers. Lahat na yung mga
My
X ginawa ng X.
Cheer.
Cheers.
Oh my God.
Wait lang. May napunta din ako. Wait lang. Stay mo lang yung screen. Wait lang. Let me fix. Let me cook. Napansin din ako.
So we can connect on
Wait lang.
on Discord or why do you always have to caps the or?
Or
That's not wait, that's not
Wait! Sabi daw nito. Wait lang. I work for streamers and I'm gamers. Said 4 to 5 weeks on coming kong.
Iso yung muli. Kasi yung mga bawat na niya sinasalita.
what's with
May expect sa commission. Anong klaseng commission yan? AI indeed. AI halata.
yeah.
halatang AI commission eh. So, bro, number one, you are not an artist. Number two, you can even spell artist right. Number three, anong i-commission mo?
Promotion
AI, duh!
an artist.
Commissions. Actually, it's not commissions, but it's commissions.
Commission. Commissions.
I think the guy just straight up used Chat GPT.
Real.
Literal chat.
Nah, bro. Ain't no way it's Jejemon.
Box. Pagkamahal.
Box ba? Bro. I'm impressed how they have the balls to send those bonds. Real! Exactly!
Seryoso na mo. Mapapausa ko dyan.
Man, it's so hard.
Bro, I'm sweating so much.
Yeah. Komisyo.
Comic.
Baka susunod yung AI, ganyan na yung judge mo.
Basically, I'm a digital artist. And you know what? I think that's gonna be worth it for the no laughing challenge.
Right,
Reminds me,
exactly.
yeah, kind of reminds me
That's
of
your workout,
that English no laughing challenge in Gaki no Sukai.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I remember those. Those are really OG.
This is the funniest thing ever. Komisyo.
Comic. Woo! Wrong spelling, wrong.
Philippines,
I think-
kumakain pala si Kita sa nakanasaking kalina Pinas.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go.
I think bro forgot to go to high school or grade school. That's why Comic Con.
No, maybe it's just a misprogramming.
Bro. Woo!
Lalabas ko na po.
Kalma, Kira, kalma.